Hi, we're doing a completely new thing this week. It's a one-off for the moment, but we will be returning to the products that we've used in this week's tutorial for another tutorial later on. And what I'm doing is I'm doing some coloured pencil, but we're going to do it on polyester polydraw paper, and we're going to overlay it onto some nice background paper. And we're going to be drawing this beautiful sandstone pebble and laying alongside it some leucojum, or jum, which is called summer snowflake. It's a beautiful bulb flower that's growing in my garden. I think it's one of those flowers that grows all over the place, but it's a really lovely flower that comes in after the snowdrops. And it looks really sweet next to this pebble. So if you haven't got the materials that I use, you could use the materials that you've already got. You could do it onto tracing paper, and you could use the colour pencils that you maybe already have. So I hope you give it a go with whatever materials you can get hold of, because I've certainly had fun doing it.